I was born in 1965 on a farm in Murray County. And truly, that is how I got into farming. My brother and I are fourth generation farmers. The farm tour here today is to bring the consumer back to the farm. And the reason why we want to do that is because a lot of the consumers 25, 30, 40 years ago grew up on a farm. And now we're such a small part of the population as farmers, we want to reach out to the consumer and show them that we have the same concerns that they do in raising their families. We last fall updated this tractor with some GPS equipment and auto steer. That's some technology within the last 10 to 15 years. Variable rate technology, which we use on fertilizer and seed. So only what's needed gets applied in the exact location where we want it.
I grew up on a farm about 10 miles south of where I live today. This is my wife, Diane. We've been married for 34 years.
Yes.
Okay, so
Good job.
Got that right. And she's a major part of our operation also.
Have just always loved the animal. Want to take good care of the animal. When we first started, we raised them from babies, and I did most of the nursery work.
Never an unhappy customer, huh?
It's our favorite food on our farm. We feed it to our family. We go out in public through the pork producers on a county level, and we just love preparing the product and having people enjoy it.